Okay, we're showing you the 4 components of the lens and focus gear for a Zeiss Sony f4 16 to 35 lens. This is how it's going to get installed so you can use your Nauticam housing. Go, Bill.
First, this goes over the top.
That's a plastic race.
Okay.
That's your focus.
Second, this will go over.
That's the plastic race, not the gear.
And this will sit on top of one another.
So the 2 plastic pieces sit on one. The focus gear sits on top of the zoom gear. These are not the actual gears. We're about to install those. Okay. Okay, that's your
focus.
That's your focus.
And that's going to be a press fit.
It's going to press down from the glass side, from the outer glass. That's your focus gear. All right, now we're going to do the zoom gear. Zoom gear goes on from the camera body side. Press that in. Now you've got zoom and focus. Okay.